Hi, hello, my dear young kids, second class children. Are you listening the lessons, children? What we have discussed the day before yesterday. Once recall. Once recall, all my dears. What did I teach you? What we have discussed the day before yesterday, children? Yes. What is the name of lesson? Housing and clothing. These two are our basic needs. Once recall, what are our basic needs? Food, air, water, clothes and shelter. Okay. Yesterday what we have discussed, one of the basic need, that is a house. What is a house, amma? We all need a place to live in, no? Yes. We all need a place to live in. So the house is a place where we live in safe and free, very comfortable. We feel very happy, no, to live in our houses. Yes, children, a good house has so many rooms: bedroom, bathroom, drawing room and dining room, no children. Yes, we all need a house to live in, no. We all need a house to live in. Okay, a house is our basic need, no. A house is our basic need. It protects from heat, cold, rain, wind and thieves and also wild animals. So our house gives us shelter and also we feel very comfortable. A good house has many rooms. Okay, already you know that. Okay, so you should keep your house very neat and clean. Don't throw the wrappers, don't throw the toys anywhere. Okay, you should keep your room and house very clean and neat and hygienic. Okay, children. Okay, what are the different types of houses? Yesterday I said, no, pakka house and kacha house. Basically, houses are two types. What are they? Pakka house and kacha house. Pakka houses. Where did you find the pakka houses? Yes, it is in villages and also towns and cities. Pakka house is made of bricks, cement, sand, steel, okay, granite, marbles, okay, and many more materials. Okay, children, people live in many years in pakka houses, no children. They are very strong, no. So I will show picture. So this is the pakka house, no children. Yes, this is the pakka house, very strong house. It is very strong house, amma. This is the pakka house. Okay na. We found in villages, towns and cities, amma. Okay na. And yes, we live many years. Okay, for building this house, we spend lot of money. Okay na. For building this house, yes, people spend more money and more time. Okay. So this is the pakka house. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now next one. Next one, what amma? Kacha house. Kacha house. This is the kacha house. Okay, kacha house. Okay, kacha house is mostly found in villages. It is not strong, no children. It is not strong. Okay, now people spend less money for build its house. Okay, so kacha house made of, see, straw, mud. See, straw, mud. Okay, some bamboos. Okay, grass, like that. Okay, so what is the name of this house, amma? Kacha house. So actually houses are different types, no children. So pakka houses, okay, pakka houses, kacha houses and also see tent. Okay, tent. Okay, this is the tent. Okay, this is the kacha house and this is the pakka house, and some houses are caravan. See here, this is the caravan. This is a house move on wheel. Okay, this is the caravan. This is the caravan. This is the pakka house. This is the caravan. And see, this is the houseboat. This is the houseboat, children. See, kacha house, houseboat. Okay, these are all the temporary house, tent. Okay, this is the igloo. Okay, now. So today we are discussing about temporary houses. Now we are going to discuss about temporary houses. What are temporary houses, children? What are temporary houses? I am playing one video. What are temporary houses, amma? Yes, caravan, houseboat and tent. These are all the temporary houses. Okay, what are the temporary houses? Caravan. Okay, this is the houseboat and this is the tent. Okay, now. So these are all the temporary houses. People live in a short time. People live in short time, amma. They build house that can move from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses, means not permanent. Okay na, people yes, people spend only some time. Okay na, that's why they are moved from one place to another. Okay na, so some people live at one place for a very short time. They build houses that can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. What are temporary houses? Caravan, houseboat and tent. These are all the temporary houses. Okay, caravan means that is a house move on wheels. Move on wheels. We found in desert areas. Okay na, so caravan is a group of people traveling together in a desert. Okay, across in a desert areas amma, in Asia or North Africa. Okay children, I will show one video amma. These are used mainly in desert areas. Okay, so caravan is a house move on wheels, a group of people traveling together across desert areas. We found in desert areas. Okay, caravan is a house that move on wheels. Okay na, large number of people traveling together across the desert areas. Is it clear? So this is the houseboat amma. This is found in Kerala. Okay na, Thiruvananthapuram Kottayam in Kerala. Okay na, we found in Kerala houseboat. It is a house made on the boat. Okay, this is the houseboat. This is the houseboat. We found in Kerala, in some areas also. Okay na, Kashmir also. Okay na, and houseboat, see here how it is. They float on the water surface. This house made on the boat. Okay children, houseboat, a houseboat made on the boat we found in Kerala. Okay children, so this is the house float on the water surface. Is it clear? Now this is the tent amma. It is made of strong cloth. Okay na, so I will show some pictures amma later. Just 2 minutes wait. These are all the special houses. See, special houses, igloo and stilt house. Igloo, you know that igloo. This is the snow house. Igloo is also called a snow house and also snow hut. Okay, this is a type of shelter built of snow amma. Eskimos live in igloos. Okay, for during winter season, for hunting the animals, they live only sometime. That's why they build the igloo. Igloo is made of blocks of snow. Okay na, ice blocks. Okay, so igloo is a snow house. Who live in the igloos amma? Eskimos. Those are all the people live in the igloo. Is it clear? How is it amma? It is a round shape. Okay, it is a round shape or dome shape roof. Okay na, so people spend only short time period. Okay na, so that's why they build the igloo. Okay na, igloo is also made of ice. Okay na, for hunting animals during winter season, only few people spend short time. That's why they build igloo. Igloo is also known as snow house or snow hut. Okay, this is the stilt house amma. Okay, yes, stilt house built primarily as a protection against floods amma, during floods. Okay na, so this is the stilt house. So this is the house built above the surface of the soil or water are called stilt houses. Is it clear? Okay na, this house built above the surface of the soil or water, such houses are called stilt house. Okay na, so these are found in places of heavy rainfall and where floods are common. Okay na, for example in Assam. Okay, Assam people built a stilt house. Okay children, so now types of roofs. Okay, types of roofs amma. Roof means what amma? Roof is a top covering of a building. Okay, our building also has one roof, no children? Roof means what? Top. Okay, na, roof is the top covering of a building. Our houses have Okay, flat roofs. Okay, types of roofs. See here, flat. Some houses have flat roofs. Some houses have sloping roof. Some houses have dome shaped. Okay, now. So where did you find the flat roofs, Amma? Mainly, yes, plains. Okay, our houses are made of flat roofs. Flat roofs. Roof means what? Roof is the top covering of a building. Roof is a top covering of a building. Our houses have flat roof. Our houses have flat roof. Okay, now sloping roof. Sloping roof means houses are found in hilly areas. Houses are found in hilly areas. Okay, now where there is a lot of rain and snowfall. That's why people build in sloping roofs. Sloping roof. Okay, to slide snow easily. Okay, now. So snow and rain can easily slide off the sloping roof. That's why people building sloping roofs. Is it clear? Sloping roofs are found in hilly areas, but flat roofs found in plains. Sloping roofs found in hilly areas. People, those who live in hilly areas, they build their houses, yes, with sloping roofs. Okay, na sloping roofs. Snow and rain can easily slide off the sloping roof. And next, dome shaped roof. See igloo. Okay, na top of the igloo. See here, roof of the igloo is a rounded dome shaped. No children. Okay, now how is the igloo, amma? Igloo roof is that round and dome shaped. Okay, na dome shaped. Okay, na so igloos have rounded and dome shaped roofs, amma, which provide good insulation and support. Is it clear, children? So flat roofs are found in plains and sloping roofs are found in hilly areas, and also rounded roofs are found in snowy areas. Rounded roofs are found in snowy areas. Okay, now children, I will show video. Caravan. Okay. See here, ma, this is the houseboat, children. This is the houseboat. See, they float on the water, no children. So houseboat float on the water.
Soon we'll have some other videos.
See here. Inside part. Inside the houseboat, many rooms also there. See, inside the houseboat, number of rooms also there for living, for eating, for spending time. Okay, so kitchen, bathroom. Okay. So houseboat. This is the houseboat. I will show you stilt house. See, stilt house. This is a stilt house, amma. Okay, ma, house is built, yes. House is built above the surface of the soil or water is called stilt house, no children. Houses built above the surface of the water are called stilt house, amma. Okay, now these houses are found in places of heavy rainfall and where floods are common. Okay, so this is a stilt house. Okay, still house. Houses built above the surface of the water. Houses built above the surface of the water are called still houses. Okay, these houses are found in places of heavy rainfall and water where floods are heavy. Okay, now I will show you. I am playing one video how igloo is made. They cut the blocks, Amma. They cut the blocks of ice. See, this is snowy area, no children? Yes. Igloo. Some people build their houses from blocks of snow. These are all the blocks of snow, children. Okay, pieces of snow. These are all the snow pieces. Okay, some people build their houses from blocks of snow. These snow houses are called igloos. No. Yes. They cut for building the igloo. They cut the ice, means snow. Okay, they cut the snow. So some people build their houses from blocks of snow. Okay, these snow houses are called igloo, no? Yes.
Caribou sleeping robes and extra skins to cover the sleeping platform provide the dogs bed down for the night, nose buried under tail, thick coats protecting them from the cold, each in his chosen spot on the snow. Iglumio Ko says Aki.
Okay. So this is the igloo, Amma. See, this is the igloo. This is the igloo, Amma. See how it is. People build their houses from blocks of snow. This snow house is called igloo. Igloo means snow house. Who live in the igloo, Amma? Eskimos live in igloos. Okay, igloo is also known as snow house. Eskimos live in igloos. Okay, now people build it some blocks of ice. Okay, now from blocks of snow. Is it clear? This is an igloo. Igloo is also known as snow house. Eskimos live in igloos, children. Eskimos live in igloos. Is it clear, children? Okay, now this house made from blocks of snow. Okay. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, you have to watch this video one more time for better understanding, children. Today what we have discussed today's session, Amma, temporary houses. What are temporary houses? Houseboat, tent and caravan. These are all the temporary houses. Caravan which moves on wheel. Okay, houseboat, it float on the water. Tent, it is made of strong cloth. Special houses. What are the special houses? Igloo and stilt house. Igloo is also called snow house. Eskimos live in igloos. Stilt house. Already you saw that, no children. Stilt house. This house built above the surface of the water. So what types of roofs? Some houses have flat roofs. For example, plains. We observe the flat roofs in plains. Some houses have sloping roofs. Okay, sloping roofs we found in hilly areas. Okay, some houses have dome shaped roof. Okay, igloo has round and dome shaped roof. Okay, children, tomorrow we will discuss about the different types of clothes. Have a good day, children.